Okay, in this video I'll just show you how to use the builder to add a table. You can add it directly in the UI, or in this video I'll add it in a pop-up. I've already filled out these to save a bit of time. Select a button that will open the pop-up. Okay, when I click on Save UI, it will take me to the pop-up where I can add the table. First I'll add a couple of buttons. First button will be I will use to load the data in the table. I'll just call it run. Table. Okay, this load table will load the table. These two buttons I'll just demonstrate how you can use add code to your bot to perform actions on any of the data in the table. I've pre-filled most of this. Here you enter the number of columns, column headings, comma separated, the width of each column, comma separated, and whether you want the cells in the column to be edited or not. If you want them to be editable, put a Y. If you don't want them to be editable, put an N, comma separated. It's the height of the table. This enable insert new row. When you click on the ID column, you'll be able to insert a new row with that enabled. If you don't want new rows to be inserted, just keep it on no. Include search feature. Delete button, that'll delete any selected rows. Display will display any selected rows, and the save will be able to save the current table. And just click on the style that you want. Save UI. And to get the code, if I click on get code now, it's not going to, you need to go back to return to UI before you get code. Now I've already added a couple of defines here there for those two extra buttons I added. I'll show you a bit more about those shortly. Let's put the code from the builder underneath here. And I'll just pause the video while it goes back to no view. It'll take a bit. Now I need to save and then reopen the bot for everything to work correctly. I'll just pause it while I do that. Okay, I also created a run define, which will be used to load the table while it's paused. Now in this define, I need to go to custom commands, and find the load table command, put in there. Now that'll run this command here, which I've got an open file dialog to load the table. So if you're going to use a button to load your table, all you need to do is put this custom command inside the define that the button will run. Display table. You see all you got is your header and the buttons up here so far because we haven't loaded anything. Just got a CSV here. Okay. We'll show 100 rows per page. Next, previous. Now to show the selected, you see I've got it set on emails actually. They're the three I got. You can see they're the three. Now I'll supply this example code, but I'll just show you. That's all for the selected. Need to loop list total of selected rows, and if you wanted to get first name, say, you'd just change this column. It's column 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where it's pulling the data. If you change that to column 2, 0, 1, 2, it'll give you the first names. And if you wanted all the emails that are in the table, just loop total table rows, and the column. So this is column 2, 0, 1, 2. They give me all the first names. I'll just show you. Column all, and there's all the first names. Okay, I hope that's reasonably straightforward how it works. Thanks.